Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my beach bag layered paper craft. How much fun is that? You have the beach bag there kind of spilling over with all kinds of different things for the beach. You have the sun hat here and the towel, sunglasses and suntan lotion coming out on the other side. There's the sand and the seashells on the bottom, just some fun foliage in the background. I don't know about you, but in my family I tend to be the one that is the Sherpa that carries everything for everyone, and my goodness, if I forget something, it is the end of the world. So this really speaks to me. Layered paper crafts are so much fun because you could totally put them on a card or in a shadow box if you wanted as well. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive. You could use some foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the different layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. So it is right around 11 inches tall. If you're wanting to put this on a card or perhaps in a shadow box and you need to resize the design, you can do that here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. Since mine is sized the way that I want it, I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. assemble your project. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I know it looks like there's a lot of different pieces, and there's a good amount, but this is a really cute design, so it makes it worth it in the end. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together. From back to front, you're going to start with the cream, green, red, blue, yellow, tan, beige, light blue, and then the different orange pieces. Again, refer to that layering guide if you want. You can also add foam squares between the different layers to add even more dimension. I probably would do that behind green, red, beige, as well as the shells. I'm just going to add glue and I'm going to just layer everything together. I'll speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our fun beach bag layered paper craft. Wasn't this design so much fun to make? I really think that it would be perfect on a card. I really do. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of paper crafting and card making friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.